Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everybody can see your phone number on your account on Telegram easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings and now click privacy and security and now click phone number, then now click everybody, and that's it. That's how to make everybody can see your phone number on your account on Telegram easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.